could do that all day. Listen to that one more time. This is something amazing. Join me for some crazy 100 to 200 accelerations. Let's head it off. Let's do some more runs here.
Yeah. That was 2.9 something pro.
This is nice.
That. Yeah. That was 2.9 something pro.
This is really, really good.
Yeah.
Uphill run 0.3%, 2.89. This is insane. Those incredible numbers. I mean, we were just reaching insane speeds in an insane time. We were talking about the Chiron Super Sport and said, okay, 3.5 seconds, 100 to 200 is fast, but this car is at least half a second faster, likely on better conditions. You could even say it's probably in the 2.6 to 2.7 area, 100 to 200, which, yeah, no other car today, or most other cars, won't even reach to 100 within. Okay, let's see, another run, 100 to 200 and maybe even up to 300.